Hey, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, and this is another quick tip. Let's go over some dashboard warning lights. Now, most drivers are familiar with the common ones like check engine, low oil pressure, or low fuel, so we're going to skip those and go right into the ones that are a little more confusing at first glance. This one looks like a sailboat on wavy water. It means your engine is overheating, so pull over quickly to let your car cool down, or mechanical damage is likely to occur. It looks like a Lego brick with a minus and a plus sign, and indicates the vehicle's charging system isn't working properly. Turn off anything that draws power from the battery, like the stereo, heater AC, interior lights, or things like heated seats. Don't shut off your vehicle until you get to a safe location, just in case it doesn't start again. The exclamation mark in a circle can mean your parking brake is on, or there's a problem with your braking system, including a potential system failure. If you see this symbol while driving, you should pull over safely, park your vehicle, and call roadside assistance. The letters ABS in a circle indicates there is an issue with your anti-lock braking system that needs to be diagnosed and fixed. A steering wheel with an exclamation mark means there's a malfunction with your electric power steering system. Get this checked out as soon as possible. Trying to maneuver a vehicle without EPS can be difficult and dangerous. This indicator can best be described as an exclamation mark celebrating. If this light comes on, the pressure in one or more of your tires is too low and needs to be attended to. This looks kind of like a capital D with 3 horizontal lines and a vertical line going through them. This one isn't serious, but it can be a little confusing if you don't know what it is. It just means that your fog lights are on. Another thing to keep in mind is the color of the symbol. Red means there's an immediate safety risk if you continue driving. Yellow or orange indicates the vehicle should be serviced soon, so proceed with caution. Blue or green means the system indicated is active. These are just a few of the more common dashboard warning lights, and they aren't universal, so always check with your owner's manual if you're unsure about one. And make sure to stay tuned for more quick tips.